Hey, I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com. Here we've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima OverHaul HD truck bed rack, and this video will be featuring some of the accessories to outfit this truck bed rack for various gear. It starts with, in this case, the Yakima SideBars, which span across the two uprights and provide a mounting position for. Here we're showing on this side of the truck the MaxTrack brackets. So MaxTracks are recovery boards that are commonly used for off-road situations to help get a vehicle unstuck. And these two brackets are specifically designed to interlock with the backs of the MaxTracks against the recovery plate. So it's a very secure method of attachment, and I'll demonstrate how those engage. So you basically just place them on top, and then you run the straps across, and these are extra heavy duty straps with a cam buckle closure. We'll just get that secured tight, and then it has a Velcro clasp right there. Same thing on this front position. Just run those straps through, get a good secure connection, and then now you have the MaxTracks securely in place, and that's suitable for off-road travel. So there's other accessories that are available for the truck rack as well. On the back side, a very simple additional eye screw is available, which engages, in this case, into the vertical upright track. However, that can be positioned in other locations as well. Down below we have the Yakima SKS 9-foot cable. So if you're concerned of theft for certain accessories on this truck rack that don't have their own lock, you can use this. Let's show, for example, a method for locking up the MaxTracks. And just run the lock through, and then on this side of the truck these two uprights are locked, so you can lock those on as well. Now this particular lock does not come with a lock cylinder, so you would have to purchase that separately, and you can do that to match the rest of your system as well. So now you have your MaxTracks locked to the truck rack, and then the truck rack is locked to the bed. As you can see here, we have the included locks for security. And moving on to the opposite side, we have the top grip, which in this case we'll just use for a paddle for a paddleboard. Very easy to operate. You just get it into the jaws, and then you can squeeze, and it'll clasp against the handles. And so in this case, this does have the ability to add an SKS lock cord directly into the carrier, and that way you have security for whatever it is you may be carrying. In this case, a more expensive carbon fiber paddle. It'd be nice to have that locked up, so you have that option there. Up above here we have the HD hook straps from Yakima, and that can give you a excellent means to attach ladders and lumber and other gear that may require an extra heavy duty strap method. Then on the opposite side of the truck we also have the Rotopax fuel container. These containers sometimes are for fuel, for water, and Yakima has developed a method of attachment. So the Yakima product is actually this inner bracket. This outer bracket is actually a Rotopax bracket, which is sold separately, but it enables the attachment of the fluid container to the side of your Yakima SideBar. So by having the truck rack, it enables a wide range of different accessories to make the truck rack more useful for all different applications. So for more details about all these various products, please see the links in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and thanks for watching.